Hello everyone, welcome to Kyber Moto Design. In this video, we'll be going on through the installation process of Rogue 2.0 belly pan that comes for Generation 3 Duke 390 and 250. So let's quickly go through the set of tools we'll be needing to carry out this installation. You will be needing a 4 mm Allen key, a 10 mm spanner, a 10 mm spanner socket head, a 12 mm spanner socket head, and a ratchet with an extension to make your job easy.
Now let's go through the contents of the package. Firstly, you get a main belly pan body. Then you get a front fascia, a rear mounting bracket, 2 front mounting points, 8 nylock nuts, 10 M6 screws, 1 M6 hex bolt, 11 washers, 8 rubber dampers. These dampers are now completely designed in-house with their respective bushes and 2 rear dampers.
Now let's begin with the installation process. Firstly, we'll have to install the front fascia over the main belly pan body. In order to do that, we'll have to install the rubber dampers into the respective holes. As you can see, the rubber dampers have a branding, so the logo side should always be above. Let me show you how. Now with the rubber dampers installed correctly, we'll install the front fascia. Just slide the front fascia, seeing the edges. Now we'll take the Allen key head bolt and a washer and install it on the 4 slots available on the belly pan. Once all 4 screws are through, we'll take the bush and pass it like this. Once done, we'll install the lock nut. And tighten it with the help of a 10 mm spanner and a 4 mm Allen key head and a ratchet.
Now repeat it on all the 4 screws. Now take the screw and a washer and pass it through the main belly pan body's rear slot. Lock it with the rubber dampers as shown. Now take the rear mounting bracket and screw it to the belly pan body. Tighten it with the help of a 4 mm Allen key spanner up to the point where it slides along this slot. Now take the front mounting point and pass these rubber dampers through them. Repeat the same onto the opposite mounting point. Now take the big M6 bolt and slide the whole assembly onto the chassis drop down point. Slide everything in between the chassis. Align the holes properly and pass this hex bolt and washer through it. Tighten it with the help of a 10 mm spanner. You can also release the side stand to make the area more accessible. After tightening, everything should look like this. Now, with the help of a 12 mm spanner, loosen the nut on the lower crash guard. Now take the front mounting point and slide it such that this notch should always face the front wheel. Put back the nut which you removed. Now repeat the same onto the opposite side. Now we'll push the whole assembly up and align the holes. Now take the screw and a washer and pass it through the hole. Now take the bush and the lock nut and mount it as shown here. Now tighten it with the help of a 10 mm spanner and 4 mm Allen key. Now check the engine shield clearance and tighten the whole assembly.